Now that's cooking. All right, let's get some snow melted. So check out, the water's boiling at 195 degrees. Now normally water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Because we're so high above sea level, the air pressure is lower and the water boils at a lower temperature. There's a little physics there for you. I don't want my food to cool down, so I'm gonna keep it in here. All right. Ooh. My finger just froze to my spoon. We're gonna try some beef stew. Oh, that tastes amazing. I gotta eat quickly before the stew gets cold. All right, that's it. This is how you do the dishes when it's cold out. All right.